how to install Java JDK 25 on Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to check if there is any Java installed on your computer. So to do that, you are going to go to the taskbar, then click on search, then search for CMD, then run as administrator. So this command prompt will pop on your screen. So what you need to do is to type Java space -version, then press on enter. So if you are seeing this error, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, then meaning that there is no Java installed on your computer. But if you find the version that has been installed, then you need to uninstall it so that you can start afresh. So having known that, I'm going to close this. Then you need to go to your browser. Personally, I'm going to use Google browser. So you'll go to the search and search for Oracle Java. Then press on enter. So this is their official website. So just click on the first link. Then it will land you here on their homepage. So as you can see, there is download button here. Just click on it, download Java. Then it will bring you here on Java downloads. So you need to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see JDK 25 here. And you also have JDK 21. So we are going to download JDK 25. So you will scroll down. Then here you are going to see 3 different OS. So you are going to choose your operating system. So I'm going to choose Windows. Then you will scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see download files here. So the one that you need to download .exe. This one here. So do not download zip, do not download MSI. This is the one that you are going to download. So it is 182.25 MBs. So click on it. And then it will automatically begin to download, as you can see at the top here. So it will download here. So we are going to give it time for it to finish. As you can see, it is only 182 MBs. So the download speed will depend on your internet speed. So let us give it time. So once it has finished to download, we are going to double click on the file in order to run it. So just double click on the file. Then we are going to minimize Google Chrome. So this pop-up will appear on your screen. This is an installation wizard. So what you need to do is to click on next. Then install Java SE development kit. So here's where Java is going to be installed. This will be the directory path for installation. So just if you want to change, you can just change, but I prefer that you could just leave it as it is, then click on next. Then as you can see, the progress will begin. So let us just give it time for it to finish. So once it has completed, as you can see, Java PM SE Development Kit 25 successfully installed. So click next to access tutorial, documentation, development guides. So that one if you want to access them. But after this has been completed, just click on close. Now once you've done that, we are going to set path. And in order to set path, we are going to go to the File Explorer. We'll open File Explorer, then go to local disk C. Then once you are here, you are going to go to Program Files. Click on that. Then we are going to search for Java. So just press on J. And then you'll be able to see it. So click it. And then it will land you here. So here you will be able to see the versions of Java that you have ever installed on your computer. So for now we have installed the latest one, which is Java JDK 25. So open that, then go to bin. Then this is the file directory that we need to copy and go and paste it in the environment variables. So here you are going to click on this drop down arrow. Then as you can see, the path has been highlighted. So what you need to do is to press on Ctrl C to copy the path. Then once you've done that, you are going to minimize this. Then go to the taskbar, go to the search, then search for enviro. Then you will be able to see edit system environment variables. So do not search for environment variables, just search for enviro and you will be able to see this. So what you need to do is to click on open. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So go to the environment variables down here. then it will land you here. So here you are going to see user variables for your PC. Then we have system variables. So under system variables, we are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see a path. So you need to double click on it. Then it will bring you here. So once you are here, you are going to click on new. Then you will paste Ctrl V to paste the path which you have copied. Then once you've done that, you are going to click on OK. Then OK. Then OK. So having done that, we are now going to verify that the Java has been installed in our computer. Now to do that, you will go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for CMD, then run as administrator. Then this command prompt will pop up on your screen. So what you need to do here is to type Java space -version, then press on enter. So as you can see, this is the version that we have installed, Java 25, and the date which has been installed. So that's really it, guys. That's how to install Java JDK 25 on Windows 11. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please you can support me by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.